Grandma, she don't really know me anymore. Still, every time I visit, she will smile from ear to ear. It's hard to keep up talk when she cannot find the words, but she still sings along the song she used to hear. Grandma, she don't really recognize my voice, 'cause a lot of things have changed since her mind began to close. But she will call me sweet boy and will laugh at all my jokes and asks, can I come, as I'm about to go. I will pick up my guitar and I will make her hold the words, and she will look me in the eyes as I'll strum a couple chords, and those blank eyes, they turn brighter as her ears begin to know all the songs I play. Yeah, the songs I play, and then she sings along. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Grandma, she don't really know my way of life. Feels that I'm related, so she doesn't really mind. And as I touch her hand, I will feel her grabbing on, and I'll be singing on. Yeah, I'll be singing family tree and church songs, and it on, you've got a friend, and she will look me in the eyes, and I'll see from time to time that those blank eyes, they turn brighter as her ears begin to know all the songs I play, the sad old songs I play. Then she sings along. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. It's a day before your birthday, it's your second time around, and I cannot help to think back on that time. Oh, you weren't even born yet, but she was fighting for your life. Now here we are, you're talking about, oh, I never thought I'd love you like I do. I'm seeing parts that I forgot about my youth. So if you ever need reminding, or you need a helping hand, call me up, for I am Uncle Sam. In the way that you are smiling, I see little bits of me I've lost some time ago. For the brightness in your eyes, there ain't no shadows I can't see, and I'd do anything to keep it so. But I know that you have demons of your own, and I can't keep them from you when you're grown. So if you ever just need loving or you need a guiding hand, call me up for I am Uncle Sam. Won't you play a little longer? Keep your mind a little younger. Don't you hurry, oh just take your time. Make sure you shine a little brighter every day that you're around, 'cause there's no use in never living for today. One day you will be a grown man and I might not be around, and maybe you'll have children of your own. Maybe you'll become a banker or a free man just like me, and never truly live by any rules. But however you decide to spend your time, make sure that all you do, you'll do with pride. And if you ever just need loving or you need a guiding hand, call me up for I am Uncle Sam. Call me up for I am Uncle Sam. Starting up this busted car I ride. There ain't a backseat, so the dog is always laying by my side. Every morning when I drive, I'll be blinded by the light. Oh, the beauty of the morning sun. I've driven here a million times before. I never truly leave and I keep coming back for more. I was born right in this town, this is where I wander around. Oh, the beauty of the morning sun. And when we're on the road, I'll miss it dearly, but I know I will return when time is right. This is where I'm supposed to be, where my spirit can run free in the beauty of the morning sun. When we're on the road, I'll miss it dearly, but I know I will return when time is right. Oh, this is where I'm supposed to be, where my spirit can run free in the beauty of the morning sun. There ain't no shame to live a simple life, 'cause what more could I ask for than to have some peace of mind? And that is what I find as the golden fields they shine in the beauty of the morning sun. And I have seen the seasons round me changing, and they have seen me changing well. Sometimes the skies they will turn gray, but I know there'll be a day that I'll be walking in the morning sun. And the birds will sing their song, and I'll gladly sing along in the beauty of the morning sun.